Hi guys, I'm Colin, and I'm new to YouTube. My channel name is Colin's Game Room. Today I'm going to be making Oobleck. Oobleck is a fun experiment for kids that you can do at home. Oobleck is a non-newtonian fluid. That means it acts like a liquid when it's being poured, but like a solid when you push it. You can keep it light or add food coloring. I'm keeping it white. Making Oobleck is easy. You mix 3 parts cornstarch to 2 parts water. So I have 1 cup of cornstarch and 2/3 cups of water. Then you stir until it's mixed. So we're going to be using the spoon to see it pour. So it's able to pour. And also, you can tell it's a solid. That's Oobleck. I'm going to be dropping this marble on it to see how hard it is. That's actually pretty hard. Let's see what it's like when it's higher. I hit the bowl. Let's try that again since it hit the bowl. The same. Yeah. Let's see what happens when the marble is poured out with the Oobleck from the spoon. That is cool. Well, thanks for watching, and also give me a comment on what Roblox game you want me to play in the next video. Comment if you like this, and also give me a like, subscribe, hit that bell notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Hi guys, I'm still here. I decided to add color and look at it now. I have a mixed color of white, blue, yellow, and green in here. So I have a 4-color Oobleck. And sometime we might make a behind the scenes video or bloopers of the stuff we're editing out.